Hi folks, Alex with LaserMax. We're here to talk about how to mount your rifle red dot sight onto a Picatinny rail. First, you want to make sure that the firearm is completely unloaded and safe to handle. So the unit does come with a high-rise mount pre-installed onto it. If you wish to have a lower height, the unit does come with a low-rise mount. So you want to make sure that the crossbolt is loose in order to open up the clamp. What you want to make sure is that your sight is pushed forward against the Picatinny rail so that you let that crossbolt sit on that slot. What this does is that it prevents any deviation of your zero when you're firing the firearm. What we'll do is take a torque screwdriver, torque it down to the proper setting, and there you go. The red dot's ready to be used.